In this question, we have a look at creating a new user and granting him access to the cluster. We will do this by creating a certificate signing request, a role, and a role binding. First, we have a look at the documentation. We look for certificate signing request. We copy this to generate a private key. We edit the name of the key. And copy this as well. And we edit the key and the CSR. And we skip all these requests for information by typing enter. We copy this to a YAML file. And we create a YAML file for the certificate signing request. We paste it here. And we edit the name again. We save the file. We copy this base64 command. Edit the user again. We copy this. And then we add it to the YAML file. And we save the file again. And now we use kubectl apply f to create the certificate signing request. And it's created. And now we check the condition of the CSR. And as you can see, it's in pending state. So we should approve it. And now it's approved. So we go back to the documentation again and look for role binding. And we copy this example. We now create a YAML file and paste it in there. And to the verbs we add create, update, and delete. And we change the namespace to tech. We save the file. We go back to the documentation once more. We copy the role binding example. We create a new YAML file. And we paste it here. First we add the tech namespace. We added the name of the user again. And we save. And now we create the role binding with apply F. And let's double check if it's created. And let's also create the role binding. And let's also double check if this one is created. And finally, let's check if we can delete pods as a new user. And it says we can. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.